11 years ago, we were having difficulty with insurance buying. We buy a lot of insurance, and the price would vary significantly from year to year for various lines. Various lines were sometimes difficult to obtain because of the market hardening and difficulties that in the insurance market itself. We also would get a quote hours before we had to sign instead of having time to be able to research it and also get approvals of our boards. In addition to that, the terms weren't always the ones that were favorable to us as far as the amount of money we might have to put on deposits, how we would be paying premiums, and all of those kinds of issues that concerns a financial operation.
When we first started looking for insurance many years ago, I was always interested in the concept of pool insurance and could never find it anyplace. So 10 years ago, FIT came to us and to begin the process of starting a pool, and we've been involved in it ever since.
We've been with Florida Insurance Trust since January, so this is our first year. But we started working with Florida Insurance Trust even the year before when we were coming out of a PEO and we were looking for coverage, especially workers' comp area.
When I first had an opportunity to meet them and to learn about the coverages and the opportunities and the pricing, I was actually blown away. Very competitive. We saved thousands of dollars our very first year, and the coverage and the policies were better than what we had before. Starting with FIT, we were able to get good terms on the insurance. We were able to have, for example, in workers' comp, we went from having a high deductible program to where we had an all-inclusive payment, to where it was very easy to budget. And then from year to year, as time went on, we got obviously insurance costs going up over that period of time, but they would go up moderately, and we would have ability to think over various options in time, getting the quote sometimes as much as a month ahead of time before our policies would expire.
It's a great setup. I love the fact that we have one vendor. You know, we get all our coverage and it spreads the risk out, so I think it's a wonderful concept.
You guys are cutting edge, you're out there, you're aggressive, you're looking to grow your book, and you've done a nice job of cross-selling from what was a predominantly workers' comp property sort of book over to the casualty side, and Markel helped with that in developing a coverage document that you guys could then sell to your members. So outstanding, excellent job, double-digit growth in each of the 3 years we've been working with you guys.
The FIT relationship is one of the most important relationships that I have because they're a big, strong pool in Florida. They offer probably the best coverages that any carrier offers. Their pricing are continuously competitive. They watch out for their members. They take care of their members, and me as an agent, they make my life a lot easier. They're always accessible. They're always easy to talk with. They're always easy to figure things out and solve problems with.
They do an excellent job of efficiently getting on top of the claims and being able to handle them and respond to them appropriately very quickly. And as a result, that keeps the cost of the entire litigation aspect of the claim way down.
You guys do an outstanding job providing service and affordable coverage to your members, and that's a critical element of pooling in general. What we see, we support dozens of nonprofit social services and public entity pools across the country. And what we find that the pools do, and what you guys do especially well, is that you're experts in what you do.
Our experience with the Florida Insurance Trust has been an outstanding, positive experience. Your group has the top people in the industry. They're great people to work with. They're very client service oriented, as we are with our staff, and we think this brings a lot of benefits to the members.
From the very beginning, I've had a wonderful experience with the Florida Insurance Trust and all of the people that work with the trust.
You really come on strong, and they saved us a lot of money. We didn't go with Florida Insurance Trust the first year, but in January you come back to us, you stayed with us. Great service. I love the agent that's working with us, and the whole team has been attentive to our needs. Anytime I call or need anything, I mean, it's taken care of immediately.
So we at MacTown are very proud to be part of the Florida Insurance Trust. They have always been wonderful partners in providing sponsorships for our fundraising efforts, which are used to offset the cost and care and services for the people we serve, people with developmental and intellectual disabilities, and we are very grateful and thankful for that.
I look forward to coming to this conference every year. Shane's presentation of what FIT is all about is just so spot on and really brings the members up to date with regard to how well it is functioning, but also those prospective clients of FIT, good information to understand why the pooling of the insurance aspect that FIT provides really is the option to go with if you're a nonprofit.